Let's learn English through short family conversations with vocabulary and listening questions. Cleaning the yard.
Could you please help me clean the yard this afternoon?
Sure, Mom. What do you want me to do first?
Please gather all the fallen leaves and put them into the trash bag.
There are a lot of leaves after the storm yesterday.
Yes, it looks messy. After that, we will water the plants.
Sounds good. How long do you think it will take?
Probably around an hour or so.
Can I play outside after we've finished cleaning?
Of course, but only if you finish your chores on time.
I will work quickly then.
Thank you for helping me today.
No problem. I enjoy working outside.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Gather. To collect things in one place. Fallen. Something that has dropped from a higher place. Trash bag. A bag used to throw away garbage. Your listening question is: what does the son need to do first when cleaning the yard? Answer: he needs to gather all the fallen leaves and put them into the trash bag. Preparing homework.
Do you have any homework to complete today?
Yes, I have assignments for math and English.
When do you plan to start your homework?
I'd like to start after dinner.
That sounds like a good plan. Do you need any help with your assignments?
Yes, I struggle a bit with some math problems.
No worries, I will assist you with those questions.
Thanks, Mom. That would be great.
We can review the problems together once you finish your meal.
I will eat quickly so we can begin.
Perfect, just ask if you need any help while studying.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Assignment. A task or piece of work given to someone as part of their studies. Struggle. To have difficulty doing something. Review. To look over or examine again. Your listening question is: which subject does the daughter find difficult? Answer: she finds some math problems difficult. Fixing things in the garage.
The door handle is broken and needs fixing.
Can I try to fix it myself?
Yes, but please be careful when using the tools.
I will use the screwdriver to remove the screws.
Take your time and don't rush.
I think one of the screws is missing.
Let me check the toolbox for a spare.
I found a screw that fits perfectly.
Excellent work.
The handle is working properly now.
You did a great job repairing it.
Thanks, Dad. I enjoy fixing things around the house.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Fix. To repair or mend something that is broken. Screwdriver. A tool used to turn screws. Spare. Extra or replacement. Your listening question is: what problem did the son fix in the garage? Answer: he fixed the broken door handle. Tomorrow's work schedule.
What time do you need to start work tomorrow?
I start at 8 a.m. sharp.
Would you like me to prepare your lunch tonight?
Yes, please. That would be very helpful.
I'll make sure it's ready before you leave.
Thank you, dear.
Will you be working from the office or home tomorrow?
I'll be working at the office.
Do you have any important meetings scheduled?
Yes, there's a meeting at 9 a.m. with the team.
I hope everything goes well.
Thanks. I appreciate your support.
Good night and have a productive day tomorrow.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Sharp. Exactly at a particular time. Prepare. To make ready in advance. Schedule. A plan of events or appointments. Your listening question is: where will the husband work tomorrow? Answer: he will work at the office. Travel plans.
Have you thought about where we should go for our holiday?
I was thinking about the mountains or the beach. Both sound great.
I agree. The mountains are peaceful, but the beach is more relaxing.
Maybe we can split the time between both places.
That's a good idea. How many days should we spend there?
I think 5 days would be enough to enjoy both.
Should we book the hotel soon?
Yes, prices might go up if we wait.
Do you want to travel by car or train?
The train is faster, but driving gives us more freedom.
True. Let's check the train schedules first.
Okay, I'll also look for some activities we can do.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Peaceful. Quiet and calm. Relaxing. Making you feel calm and comfortable. Schedule. A plan showing when events will happen. Your listening question is: what is the brother's opinion about traveling by train? Answer: he thinks the train is faster but driving offers more freedom. Online shopping.
I want to buy a new phone online, but I'm not sure which one to choose.
You should read the reviews carefully before deciding.
Yes, I've seen some good reviews for the latest model.
Also, compare prices on different websites to get the best deal.
That's a smart idea. I don't want to pay too much.
Do you need help with the payment process?
Maybe. I'm not very familiar with online payments.
It's easy. I can guide you step by step.
Thanks. After buying the phone, I want to order some clothes too.
Online shopping is very convenient nowadays.
Yes, but sometimes delivery takes longer than expected.
True, always check the estimated delivery time.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Review. An opinion about a product or service. Compare. To look at the differences and similarities. Delivery. The act of bringing goods to your home. Your listening question is: what does the sister want to do after buying the phone? Answer: she wants to order some clothes online. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.